Green card replacement now takes 8 months. What happens if yours expires while you're job hunting or trying to fly home? One Reddit user lost a job offer because their I-90 receipt wasn't valid. USCIS says it's fine. Who's right? You've got your receipt, but still no card, no updates, no travel, no answers. What now? Green card replacement delayed 1000%. Indians stuck in USCIS chaos. Filed my I-90 in January, it's July. Still no green card, no updates, no way to travel, no work access. What now? This isn't just a glitch, it's a crisis. USCIS delays have exploded and Indian immigrants still trying to replace their green card are at ground zero. What's going on? In just 3 months, the average wait to replace a green card jumped from under 1 month to over 8 months. That's a 1000% increase. USCIS processed over 285,000 I-90 applications in early 2025, and by March, more than 356,000 were still pending. The total immigration backlog, over 11 million cases. That's the worst in US history. Why it's happening? USCIS quietly paused the streamlined case processing program, slowing down low-risk cases. Then the real chaos hit. Understaffed teams, old tech systems, 34,000 plus unopened paperwork applications sitting in mailrooms, and with Trump's second term bringing stricter enforcement, the agency is flooded and frozen. Even basic green card renewals are breaking under pressure. I can't get on a plane. My receipt isn't enough for TSA or airline staff. My job asked for the physical card, said the receipt wasn't real ID. I lost the offer. They fingerprinted me again after I'd already done it last year. No updates since. These aren't rare. They're every day now. This is the new normal and it's terrifying for Indian immigrants stuck in the system. What can you do? File early. Submit Form I90 6 months before expiration. Save your receipt. That notice gives you 36 months of lawful status and work rights. Need to travel? Request an ADIT stamp, also called an I-551, from a local USCIS field office. Track your case weekly. Don't rely on USCIS emails. Facing job or travel risk? Ask your lawyer about expedite requests or contacting your Congress representative. What's next? This isn't an accident. It's systemic collapse. Congress has proposed fixes: visa recapture, country cap reform, more USCIS funding, but nothing's moved. Meanwhile, EB2 and EB3 waits for Indians still stretch over 40 years, and now even simple I-90 forms are stuck. We may be entering a permanent backlog unless there is major reform. If your green card expired or you lost it, what's your I-90 filing date? Has your receipt worked for jobs or travel? Drop your story below. Subscribe and hit that bell. We're tracking every delay, every fix, and every survival hack for Indian immigrants navigating USCIS chaos.